Little birds in the sky, think all day and never sigh. Life is like a journey plane, sunshine, clouds, and sometimes rain. Take one step, then take another. Do what's right, don't be a bother. With each smile that they should share, life's solemn message they can bear. The wisdom of the sky they know, listening to the winds that blow. Patience and love will always guide. A path strong and true they will stride. Like birds in the sky, keep strong and fly. Smile round like your wings in the sky. Energy and greatness within. Never give in, never give in. Courage and strength in your dreams. Discover what life really means. With each step, you go further. Determination makes life better. Let go of doubts and be sure. Follow happiness and what's pure. Remember the sky, the clouds, and sun, where the little birds have begun.